Time to do an assignment using the music technology tool called Noteflight. You all have an account now, and the first task will be logging into the account, where you use your username is your first name with an uppercase letter, a space, then your surname again with an uppercase letter, and the password is music, capital M, 24. So it's music 24, no spaces, gaps, capital M for music. Now, on to the assignment. Let's read the instructions. So the instructions are write and arrange music, move the notes so it sounds like the song Everybody Loves Saturday Night, then write the letter names of the notes under the notes. So write the letter names of the notes under the notes. Step 2, finish by recording yourself performing the song, either singing with the letter names of the note or playing the recorder with the line marked voice recorder. That line, that's where you record. Save your work, then copy the URL. I'll show you how to do that. Paste the link into your music Google Classroom. Okay, let's do the assignment. First of all, we're going to move the notes into the position. I'm going to play a little bit first. I'm going to go onto the program and I'm going to press play. And when I do that, you lose a little bit of sight of me there. Okay, so I'm going to move that back there so I can see the play sign. There's the play sign up there. And I'm going to make my little screen a little bit smaller so you can see me and pull myself down there. Isn't that interesting? Now, I'm going to play. There's the play tool up on the, as you look at the screen, up on the top left-hand corner. I press play and it sounds like this. Doesn't sound like the song. So we've got to move the notes into position. Now, to move the notes, this is what you do. You highlight the note like this. You have to go into edit mode. So we go back into the edit mode, then we can highlight the mode and we can edit the modes, just like Microsoft Word. If you're using a word processing tool, you need to go into the edit note. Now, that note's correct. Dum dum, everybody loves Saturday night. And you're trying to make the music sound like that melody. So that sounds right. Yeah, that sounds good. Now that doesn't sound correct. It should be everybody. It should be all the same note. And then I'm using my arrows to move to the next note. Now, everybody loves, that sounds right. Saturday. Oh, that sounds wrong. I have to move that down. Saturday night. And then we have a rest. Rest 2, 3, 4. No, that's wrong. Everybody loves Saturday night. Let's move that note. I think it should be that note. And they're all the same. Everybody. Yes, so they're all the same. And now I'm going to make the video go a little bit faster and move through. You've got the idea. So I'm just going to finish off quickly, moving all the notes into So the next part is to write the letter names underneath the note. Again, highlight the note. Now, the keyboard shortcut is the easiest way. Just for your information, on the left-hand side, I'm clicking on the word palettes. This is like having all the drop-down menus when you're using a word processing tool. You can go here and then it says lyrics, but there's the shortcut, Control L. And that's the one I use. It makes it much easier. Control L. Now, normally we always use uppercase letters when we're typing because sometimes we're going to use a lowercase and uppercase. For instance, when we do B flat. Now I go to F and I go F, and then G. It's just like typing, really. G, I'm using my space bar to move from note to note, and then A. Now, if you make a mistake and you don't know what to do, the easiest way is to use your edit tool here. There it is, undo. If you can't find the undo, go and click edit, and then it will all the editing tools will appear there, and you go to undo. But it's easy. I've got most of my tools selected here. I've ticked them all, and I can see them up there. Just makes it easier. Now, where I'm going to do a little bit more labeling of the notes in real time, not going fast forward, and then I'll go to fast forward. Now I've highlighted the note again, Control L, and now I can put lyrics, or in this case, I am writing the letter names of the note. So again, I'm using uppercase letters, and now this is the reason why we use uppercase letters. I'm going to scroll up there. I'm on A. Now, this is B flat. I use the uppercase letter, then the lowercase letter. Now I'm going A, then B flat, and C. And I press there, no notes there. The stage where you record your performance after you've written the letter names and moved all the notes into the correct position so it sounds like the song. You'll notice around here when I was doing it before, I made some mistakes, so I checked it and I've corrected those mistakes after listening to it carefully, and that's what you should do as well. Now to record, you press the record button on top left hand corner as you look at the screen. There, I'm in the record mode. Now I want to go on the second line, voice recorder, so I've highlighted that, and that's where my performance will be recorded. I click the start button and you'll hear a 2-bar counting, 2 bars of 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how I held the last note for 7 beats, a 4 and a 3, because they're tied together. That's down here. See how this is tied together. Right, if you're going to sing it, this is what you would do. And at the moment, there it is. It's appeared. That's my performance playing the recorder. Have a listen. And so you'll notice it's not quite coordinated. I'm almost there, but I'm not. I'm going to allow, if you have headphones on, it sounds good, but I'm just doing it straight into the computer. I'm hearing the computer, and so it's getting lots of different sound sources. So it's very hard to actually sync it, but that'll be fine for this assignment. Now I'm going to delete that track, and I'm going to record the singing. I've probably fast forward through my recorded performance. This time I'm going to sing it just to demonstrate how you sing. It's no different, except I'm using the letter names and singing the song. And here I go. I've got to select. Again, I've got to go down to the voice recorder. I'm going to click start. And 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 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 G, G, F, A. Made a little mistake there. I finished the recording. I went fast forward there. Heard the little mistake. I would go back and normally fix that up. Now, the last part of the assignment is to paste a link of this into your Music Google Classroom. There's my singing performance. Let's see if I could synced it a little bit better this time rather than my playing last time. The sync is a little bit better, but you heard my mistake. Now, the last part of the assignment is to copy and paste the link to this into the Music Google Classroom. Now go up to the right hand corner, see score details, It pops out there. There is the share button. You're going to click on that share and you're going to copy link. Once you've copied the link, you will go back to your Music Google Classroom and you'll paste it in there once I've set up the assignment. Enjoy this little creative exercise of performance, music literacy, and technology. Bye for now.